Houston, we have a problem. Alright guys, so welcome back to another episode here. So you'll see here in a second, I'm trying to keep the light on. There is a problem with my engine transmission oil cooler. As you can tell there, right on the left, the drip right down the side there is coming from the transmission line. So I'm not exactly sure at this moment where it's coming or what's causing it, but there's a seal there, and that's what I believe it is. Okay guys, so at this point I've already kind of started the repair. It was very cold out, so that's why I didn't film a whole lot. So I believe, if I remember correctly, this is an 8 or a 10 millimeter bolt that is going through the oil cooler. So you can see I thought it was, like I had mentioned, a seal, and it was not. I did buy new seals. Now you can buy these seals that go there from Ford, and they are about, I believe it was $80 for the set. So it comes with 2 seals, one for each side. Now, I did not do that. I went to Advanced Auto Parts, and I believe I spent, it was like $15 or $14 for the set of them. And I did replace the seal once I cleaned this out. As you can see here, on the inside, it was very, very corroded. I'm just picking at it right now with a little pick that I had. I had picked it for probably, I don't know, a good 20 minutes, really trying to get it good and clean. And I went back and forth over it. I put some paper towels down in there and helped keep some of those aluminum shavings or corrosion out of it. So you'll see that here in a second. All in all, though, it did take me quite a while to clean this out. After I did put it back together, I did not get a video of that either. So I thought it would be worth mentioning. This is that seal I was talking about that needed to be replaced, so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. I replaced the one on this side completely. So here you see me with the piece all back together and the new seal on. I did not replace the hose that's on the right side. The hose seal on the right side. I only replaced the hose seal on the left side, only because it was really cold outside. So I do have that other seal, and I'll probably do that seal. As a matter of fact, when I do that seal, likely this summer when I do the transmission flush. So this is me just, I'm still inspecting. I let it run for a little while. Probably about 5-10 minutes, and I just let it sit there because I wanted to make sure it wasn't leaking anymore. So I'll show you some close-up pictures here after I'm done inspecting. So these are the pictures I was telling you about. I took these so you could tell that the corrosion was kind of more focused on the front, up by where that bolt goes, on the right side, and it was just due to corrosion, just salt getting up there. So I was able to fix it. This was not the correct fix. Correct fix is obviously buying a whole new assembly for the cooler. We will do that, just not now. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe.